Today we're going to be making lasagna. So the first thing is you're going to boil some water and add some oil. This is for the pasta not to stick. And you're just going to go ahead and put them in there once you start seeing the water boil, one by one. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is lay out the lasagna. Add the onion and garlic. Pepper. Add cilantro. You can prepare the meat any way you like. You could add any vegetable that you like. You can start heating the oven at 350. First you're going to lay a layer of pasta in your oven tray, and then you're going to put a layer of ragú. Okay, and then you're going to add a layer of your meat that you just cooked. Doesn't have to be a lot, just enough. You're going to add a layer of Monterey Jack cheese. Another layer of pasta, a layer of sauce, and your meat. And another layer of cheese. Another layer of pasta, and you're gonna add your ricotta cheese. Sauce, you can use half of it. Now you're gonna add the last bit of meat that you have. Okay, with your last layer of pasta, you're gonna add the last bit of your sauce, and one more layer of cheese. At the end. You're going to put in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes and you're done. This is the final product. Thanks for watching.